Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OneDrive to Xbox for saving clips and screenshots, full guide step by step clearly. To connect OneDrive to your Xbox for saving clips and screenshots, start by turning on your Xbox console. From the home screen, navigate to the Settings menu. Select System from the options available. Then, choose Storage to manage your storage settings. Next, look for the App tab and select it. Here, scroll down until you find OneDrive. If you haven't already installed the OneDrive app, you will need to do so. You can find it by going to the Microsoft Store from the home screen. Once in the Microsoft Store, use the search bar to look for OneDrive. Select the OneDrive app and click on Install to download it. After the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Now, open the OneDrive app by selecting it. You will need to sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly from the app. After signing in, follow the on-screen prompts to link your OneDrive to your Xbox. Once linked, navigate back to your game or app. To save a clip or screenshot, press the Xbox button on your controller. Select Capture and then choose either Screenshot or Record what happened. After capturing, you will see an option to save it to OneDrive. Select the OneDrive option to ensure your captures are saved directly to your cloud storage. You can manage the settings for automatic uploads through the OneDrive app on your Xbox. To check your saved clips and screenshots, return to the OneDrive app. Log in if required, and you will see all of your saved content organized in your OneDrive folder. Now you can access your captures from any device that supports OneDrive. With this setup, your gaming highlights will always be safe and accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.